Hi, this is Tony Byrne of Tony Talks Money. I have over 30 years experience as a financial planner and also 8 years experience as a fund manager. I'm here to show you ways to create passive sources of income so that you can enjoy the rest of your life and don't have any more money worries. Hi, today I'm going to tell you about 4 surprising benefits of credit cards. Now, we're all taught by parents that credit cards are a bad idea, the interest rate's high, you can accumulate a lot of debt. A lot of people are pathologically opposed to credit cards, but what I've discovered is that if you manage your credit card properly, you make sure you got the funds to pay it off every month, and if you manage it responsibly, credit cards have got a number of surprising benefits. Let me just give you 4. Right, first of all, when you pay by credit card, the card company gives you typically between 4 and 7 weeks to pay off your balance with no interest accruing. Well, I figure that's quite good for cash flow, isn't it? You could be earning interest on your money in the meantime while spending on something else like an investment. I know 4 to 7 weeks isn't a very long time, but nonetheless, why not make the money work for you and pay the card off when the balance is due? So that's one benefit. Another big benefit is you can earn rewards. Now, I've known cards that can pay you back 1% of your annual expenditure in cash. Others can give you other kinds of rewards like bonus points to spend. My particular favourite is the British Airways American Express card, which gives you Avios points, which used to be called air miles. So you can use typically for travel, like for flights. And my own son, Cameron, recommended this particular card to me because he uses it a lot. And because he earns such a lot of points, it enables him to travel 4 times a year, return flights throughout Europe, and it costs him typically £20 each time. Value for money, if you spend some money, you could actually get it a free flight, but he likes to spend a little because it works out proportionately better. So 4 flights a year, business class, and average return journeys average £20 per flight. I think there are many other types of rewards like that. The other surprising benefit for those of you who don't like credit cards is the insurance. So in other words, if you pay a company for a product or a service and that company, for example, bust or they commit a fraud, the card company will refund you. It's not truly an insurance, but they take the money back off of the merchant, they're called, the company you bought from. That gives you great peace. I once foolishly 2 puppies online, and I fooled the person who sold to me was very clever. I had a phone call with this lady, and I was convinced it was true. Spent £700 to buy 2 puppies. Of course, they never arrived. Paid for it by debit card. That was before I started using cards regularly. Well, fortunately, my bank, although they refused my claim initially, a year later they did actually compensate. But I was very, very fortunate. Always use credit cards, particularly if it's a big amount or it's an unknown supplier of services or products. The other thing it does for you, for those people who don't like borrowing at all, is it improves your credit rating. Perversely, if you don't use credit, your credit rating becomes lower. Well, that doesn't really help if you want to get a mortgage, for example, which may be the only debt you ever incur in your life. So it does make sense to use your card. What card companies love is for you to spend a lot of money on the card but pay it back every month. And you might think, why would they like that? They're not earning any fees. They are. They're not earning the fee from you, the spender. They're earning the fee from what's called the merchant, the seller. And the fees can be typically 1%. With cards like American Express, it'll probably be quite a bit higher. That's the way to do it. 4 surprising benefits of credit cards. So follow the links below. Do share with your friends. Remember, this is just a personal opinion. It's not advice. You may need to take professional regulated advice on some of the topics we've talked about today. By all means, give me your feedback, give me your comments. Tell me what you'd like me to talk to you about, and I'm sure I can help you as much as I can. Thank you for watching this video.